What if the sugar in your blood becomes so high that it starts damaging your eyes, kidneys, nerves, and heart? This condition is called diabetes mellitus, one of the most common chronic diseases worldwide. Diabetes mellitus is a metabolic disorder characterized by persistently high blood glucose levels. It occurs when the body cannot produce enough insulin or cannot effectively use the insulin it produces. Insulin is a hormone secreted by the beta cells of the pancreas. Its primary function is to help glucose enter cells, where it is used as a source of energy. What happens normally? After eating, carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream. The pancreas releases insulin. Insulin allows glucose to enter body cells. Cells use glucose for energy, maintaining normal blood sugar levels. What happens in diabetes? In diabetes, insulin is absent, insufficient, or ineffective. As a result, glucose remains in the bloodstream. Blood sugar levels rise. Cells are deprived of energy. Excess glucose damages blood vessels and organs over time. Diabetes mellitus is of two types. They are type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease. The immune system destroys the insulin-producing beta cells of the pancreas. As a result, little or no insulin is produced. Characteristics: usually develops in children and young adults. Requires lifelong insulin therapy. Sudden onset of symptoms. Type 2 diabetes mellitus occurs when body cells become resistant to insulin. Initially, the pancreas produces more insulin to compensate, but eventually cannot keep up. Characteristics: most common type of diabetes. Often associated with obesity, inactivity, and family history. Usually develops gradually. Gestational diabetes. This type develops during pregnancy. Blood sugar levels become elevated due to hormonal changes. It usually disappears after delivery but increases the risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Symptoms of diabetes. The classic symptoms include frequent urination, excessive thirst, increased hunger, fatigue, blood vision, slow wound healing, unexplained weight loss, especially in type 1 diabetes. Diagnosis: diabetes can be diagnosed using fasting blood glucose test measures blood sugar after fasting. HbA1c test reflects average blood glucose levels over the previous 2 to 3 months. Oral glucose tolerance test measures how the body handles glucose after consuming a sugary drinking. Complications: if not properly controlled, diabetes can lead to short-term complications: hypoglycemia, diabetic ketoacidosis. Long-term complications: heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, nerve damage, eye damage and blindness, foot ulcers. Thank you for watching this video.